Hey sis, my name is Stephanie Tellis, and I'm the founder and executive director of the Anti-Bias Educator, an educational consulting firm dedicated to helping educators create anti-bias and anti-racist learning environments where all students are seen, heard, and affirmed. I'm excited to invite Black women educators to our first Sister to Sister mini retreat, Thursday, July 15th, 2021, from 1 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be guided by the words of our ancestor, Fannie Lou Hamer, who said, "I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired." And I don't know about you, but this year, that really resonated with me on a whole nother level that I didn't think was possible. This retreat was born out of a need for a space for Black women educators to connect with one another through communal and individual restorative and self-care practices. As caregivers, we often spend our time taking care of those around us, right? Training up and educating the next generation. And oftentimes we don't pause and take care of ourselves. This mini retreat is our opportunity to say, pause. I can't pour into somebody else's cup if my cup is empty. So we're going to be pouring into ourselves, into each other. That'll look like a welcome and intention setting. Then we're going to get ourselves moving with the wonderful and amazing Ashley McKinnon of the rehearsal room. Then we're also going to have an interactive speaker and a personal challenge, followed by communal time because, of course, we're there to network and contact with each other and be in community. Then we're going to end with a debrief and affirmations. So while this agenda seems pretty short, I promise it has been designed intentionally to make the most out of our time together, to make the most use of our time together, so that we can be in community with one another and take care of ourselves both individually and as a collective. So I know this sounds good. I already know that because I designed this from, in transparent moment, a selfish standpoint. This was something that I needed as a Black woman educator. I needed to be in community with my sisters. I needed to feel our energy and to be in talks with each other and all of the things that COVID made really hard this past year, right? So this sounds good. How do you actually get a part of it, right? How do you sign up? It's really simple. All you got to do is go to EventBrite and sign up. The link for this can be found in the description below. Just click it, sign up. There's no cost to participate in this. If you would like to make a donation to help ensure events like this are able to continue in the future, we always appreciate that. But it is of no cost because we understand how important this space and this work is. You can also find resources and tools for your own classroom on our website, theantibiaseducator.com. And of course, you can follow us on social media. We have all the social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the YouTube. So yes, that is the Sister to Sister mini retreat. I really do hope that you will join us. We are holding space for you, sis. Please come join us. I can't wait to see you.